Hi everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan Gunkan Sushi with edamame bean and sweet corns. Alright, let's get started. What I have in here, edamame. I cannot get a fresh edamame in where I live in here, so this is the frozen edamame. You can also easily get any local Asian market. So this is frozen one, and first we need to do is need to cook down our edamame. Okay, just bring our water to boil. Okay, my water is boiled. Then just so simple in, and let it cook down about 3 minutes. Alright, now it's already been 3 minutes, so just get your cold water. Let's bring heat off slow. Then, very important, after cook, you want the edamame cool down immediately. So this can help edamame to keep green as possible. So this step very important. Okay, just cold water. If you have ice water, also working better. Alright. Otherwise, just cold water is fine. Okay. Okay, while I'm waiting my edamame bean to cool down, so what I have another ingredient here today. I got the sweet corn in the can. As long as you see the whole kernel corn, so it's good presentation of not creamy one. So this I have in here. So you can easy to get any, I believe, any supermarket you can find it. So all we need to do, just open it, then draining the water out. And because this can of the sweet corn is already pre-cooked, so it's ready to serve. My edamame bean is cooling down, so I just draining one of my bowl because I'm going to mix with the Mayo. Okay, good. Then that is the one edamame bean ready, and get this sweet corn. Also, we just grab some like that. That is about enough for me. Okay, now I got the two beautiful ingredient and beautiful color. So that is beautiful two presentation for our Gunkan Sushi. Okay, next what I'm gonna do is I got the Mayo. Very simple, very easy. You don't need to pre-mix the Mayo. Just direct it into your bowl. That is fine. So the amount of what I have at the edamame bean here is just about a half cup. So all you need just mix. This time I mix about 2 teaspoons of the Mayo, and edamame bean is also very good friend with the black pepper. So I just grind a little bit of black pepper in the bowl. That is good enough. If you got the mayo is already seasoning inside mixed, so you don't need to add an extra salt. But if you get the mayo is bland, so you can add some pinch salt in this time. But my mayo is regular flavor, so I don't want to add extra, otherwise getting too salty. So that is good. Just simple to mix it all together. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now that is ready to go. So now going to our sweet corn. Then sweet corn, the same story. I'm going to use the same vegan mayo. And the same, this time I also use about 2 teaspoons of mayo, that's enough. And I have the very nice chili paste. If you don't have this chili paste, it's also good with the sriracha sauce. Okay, I'll give you even some if you like. Get some Tabasco, also good, just few drops. But this is optional. And my chili paste is very spicy, or less. Just little pinch for me is enough. Yeah. And this idea is, I would like to say, this logic is like a sweet chili sauce, alright? Because sweet corn, and you want some kind of chili. So it's working. So right. So this is how the comment come from. This is how the logic come from. Alright. So not a comment. Okay. So then just mix well. Okay, good. Now 2 ingredients and ready to making sushi. Okay, let me put on the side so long. So now we can bring my sushi rice in. Okay, I already got the one sushi rice which is made already. If you want to know how I make a sushi rice, you can check my other video how to make a sushi rice. Alright. First, don't forget, if you want to working with the sushi rice, always getting your hand wet a little bit, otherwise you will stick in your finger everywhere with the sushi rice. So just wet a little bit, then grab a little bowl, okay, about by the size, then making like almost like a overall shape of the nigiri like that. Okay, let me get another one. Same thing, we just grab sushi rice and make a nice shape like that, and then we get yourself nice piece nori seaweed like this, long, a wide stripe. Then okay, let me do in this way to show you. Then just let wrap around your sushi rice like that. Okay. Then at the end you can grab a piece, small piece sushi rice, then scrape in the end, use as like a glue. Then you can glue together and make a nice shape. So this is called a gunkan. Gunkan mean in Japanese mean like a warship. So it's almost like warship, in a tiny warship like that. Imagination. Okay, then another one, same story. There's rolling the seaweed on the edge. Okay, and grab piece of the rice. Okay, then you can stick together. Okay, just make a nice shape, just with a little push like that. So we already have 2 gunkan. So now the one we can just grab our edamame bean with the black pepper, mayo, and that's inside. Good, beautiful. And next one, our sweet corn with the chili paste, or you can use the chilasha, mayo, what you call, and get in. Just get in like that. Okay, good. Okay, then our gunkan sushi is ready to serve. Okay, good. Right, see how simple, easy, delicious it is. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.